dream car. If you know me, my dream car is a GTR. Wide body, bagged, absolutely killer looking GTR. And that is exactly what we're about to do. Sir, do you want to race?
Definitely. I think I got a pretty good chance.
It looks pretty slow, to be honest. We're gonna go talk to a cow. My plan is to get them to subscribe. I come in peace. Come in peace. They don't like. Yeah, they don't like. They're just.
They're not about it. Yo, Danny, you should try that front flip thing where people try to jump over the car.
All right, we're gonna jump over the GTR. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. That thing is crazy. Here we can go on that side. We can go on that side.
So much for going on this side.
I don't know why.
It looks crazy. It doesn't just sound crazy.
That thing's crazy, bro.
Thank you.
What's good? You go park in front of me.
Okay.
Nice to meet you, Danny.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Oh, actually, let's put it over there. In that little thing. I think it'll be better over there. Dude, this thing is crazy. Wow, 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 wow. It's on air suspension, right?
Yeah.
Where do I even start? Do you want to tell us a little bit about the car?
It's full bolt-on.
Full bolt-on?
Yes, straight pipe. And then it's got half an aim game type 2 kit on it.
Okay.
And half Liberty Walk.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, it's a little bit of both.
Tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow. All the fake friends gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo. Smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long. I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long.
Like the fenders also kind of look Liberty Walk.
Yeah, it's very similar.
Yeah.
It's very similar. But the thing that I like the most is the front end. I think they killed it with the
Oh
front
yeah,
end.
the front looks
Very,
sick.
very similar to the 2000.
And does the Liberty Walk come with these? Or no?
I actually don't know. I know
'Cause this is awesome.
These were custom made. So yeah, I recently got this probably
I saw that, yeah.
ago. Yeah, some dude in Wisconsin was
Really?
using it. Yeah. So he did all this stuff in his garage.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
No, it looks like you have my dream GTR. Like this is the ultimate GTR. Like when I'm done with mine, I want it to look just like this. You used to have a red one, right?
I did.
I saw you at FGC once.
Yeah. I used to have that, and then I traded that in for this. That was actually my first car.
Really?
So-
Dude, wait, how old are you?
20.
You're 20,
Yeah,
alright.
20.
Nice.
Yeah, but yeah, I got that car when I was 18.
Really? Oh
Yeah.
my god, bro. If I was 18 with a GTR, I don't think I'll be here right now. Dude, that's awesome, bro. There's so much to take in when you're looking at the car. That sounds good. But it has a limiter. I know what you're talking about. Yeah. This thing is insane.
It's so sick, right?
Can't believe he's 20 years old.
I know.
I'm 3 years older than him.
I think it's freaking sick.
Dude, it's insane, bro. I'm in love with the car. Look at the size of the exhaust tips. I just realized this.
Oh yeah, we were talking about that day.
What? Those
Flames.
exhaust tips are bigger than my future. Dude, did you just get this car straight from Forza or what?
I guess so. Yeah, probably better
That
off.
is pretty cool.
Yeah, we're Gucci.
There you go.
There you go.
Back up.
GTR life. Dude, it's actually really sick. Should I do it to my Z? That's a lot of work though. That's a lot of work. Look at the size of that wing. What's your favorite thing about this car?
Oh, that's tough. I mean, it's got to be the kit. It just separates it so much. Like the car shows and whatnot, it's like a different car than every other GTR there.
Oh, yeah,
It just looks so different.
It's like the amount of looks of people recording right now is hilarious. You remind me of Tanner Fox right now. Young with a white body GTR. Oh, I love that noise. Yeah. Those downshifts. Yeah. Is it on E85? Oh, I can smell it, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a bridge. Can never get over that sound.
But like, believe it or not, it's super comfortable to drive.
I know, that's why I want it so bad.
I mean, I could drive this all day long.
Yeah.
Without having an issue.
Well, hopefully this year I can join you in the GTR gang.
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'll give you one thing. One thing I want to change is the brakes. Like,
Oh, that's squeaky light. Yeah, I heard about
squeaky.
that. Yeah.
I mean, it made me feel better that there was the.
Is that your least favorite thing or no?
Probably.
Yeah.
Probably that and the little paint imperfections, but
Yeah. That guy's like, where did that come from? I think my favorite part are the downshifts.
yeah.
they're so
Yeah,
loud.
they're so
Downshifts,
loud.
the GTR downshifts are insane.
And it's been super reliable so far too. Like, I've had no issues.
That's good. Because it's kind of nerve-wracking buying a car that's been modified, right?
Yeah. Like,
If something
that's,
goes wrong, you won't know.
that's what
it
made me
is.
feel a lot more comfortable because that guy like documented everything. I message him all the time asking questions. He's like,
that's good.
responsive. Yeah, it's
He's not one of those guys that just blocks you after he sells it.
exactly right.
You said this is your dream car or no?
Oh, absolutely. I would be totally cool just having this. I don't really care about the Huracan. The Huracan's cool because it's something different.
Yeah.
But like, this is something I always have to have. You know what I mean? Like, it's just.
Yeah, because this is your
amazing.
second. I don't know if they heard me when you said that.
Yeah, I did a 2010, and again, modified.
Did you have problems with the transmission or no?
It wasn't as smooth as this. I don't know if it was going bad or if it was just because it was a CBA.
All you gotta do is smile when you reset this car. Just look at this. What? I don't want to say goodbye to it. Oh yeah, pop the hood. We haven't even popped the hood. We forgot. Imagine just a 2JZ shows up.
Right.
Nice and clean. It's got a bunch of carbon here though. Nice. This car has a good amount of carbon. Wow. It says who built it. I know, it's awesome. Dude, I don't want to say goodbye to it. You want to trade cars for 24 hours?
I don't know. That's a tough one.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
I can literally look at this all day, bro. What are we looking at right now? Look at this. Oh, dude, are you thirsty? I got you, bro. You want racetrack coffee? Do you want a Dunkin' Donuts? Do you want a beer? You want some Gatorade? Oh, shoot. We got a whole radiator right there.
That's not what.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, that's like.
Yeah, you can't go all the way because, oh yeah, that's right on it. Dude, that's crazy. Look at that rear.